Rob Rachmaninoff.
YouTube, welcome back to the channel. And we at it again, back to bring you yet another review. This is a shoe that's been out. You can tell by the thumbnail and the title of the video and the intro that the Jordan 4 wet cements. Now I want to unbox them with you guys. I waited to unbox them because I wanted to give you my raw, uncut, honest opinion or reaction to these shoes because I haven't seen them in hand just yet. And the intro of the video was filmed after I unboxed them, so don't worry about that. This is a true unboxing. As you can see, the box is sealed up, completely sealed up. This pair came from JD Sports, so we're gonna get into the unboxing. And I'm kind of on the fence if I want to keep this pair or not. My brother is eager to see this video and actually see them in hand, so, because he may want them actually. I don't think he has any like all gray Jordans, or he never had the cool gray Jordans, Jordan 4s. So I think he doesn't have any gray Jordan 4s in his collection. So my brother may want this pair. So, without further ado, let me go ahead and unbox the shoe so we can get my raw, uncut reaction to these whoops. Let's see here. Let me get it up. Yeah, making a lot of noise around here. Oh, gotta be careful. I don't want to cut the box. I might have dug too deep. We're gonna see. Yeah, like I said, I got my pair from JD Sports on exclusive access. The box is good. We good. Bam. Throw that to the side. Fold your knife up. All right, cool. Yeah. Okay, I see what they were saying about the cement box. Okay. So you can see here they are. Jordan 4 wet cement. Supposed to represent like the cement in Paris. So these are Paris exclusive, or should I say Olympic exclusive. Apparently there was only about 100,000 pairs. So, all right, let's see. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I see what they're talking about. Okay. Yeah, it's got that new shape, that new slope going down, which makes the 4 way more comfortable. So yeah, okay, cool. So without further ado, let's hop right into the review. Okay, and before we get into the review, let me give you just a brief description of what this shoe is all about, the theme behind the shoe. So Air Jordan 4 SC wet cement. So this wet cement edition of the Air Jordan 4 draws inspiration from the cobblestone streets of Paris, invoking their rustic yet sophisticated aesthetics, and mixed of nubuck leather and suede gives the gray hues some texture and dimensions, making this shoe fit for any rule or avenue. So that's the description that Sneakers gave. And that will kind of explain the colorway. So let's get right into it. So here's the box. You got your cement print box. Looks just like cement, but also the feel of it, the texture, it's kind of a rough feel, almost like pavement. And then if you see, you got that clear Jumpman and Flight underneath on the top of the box. Nothing on the side of the box. Nothing on this side of the box. You have your Jordan and Nike branding on the bottom of the box. And then on the front, you have the tag. So the tag read Air Jordan 4 Retro SE, smoke gray, iron gray. And you can see this is a size 10.5 personal pair. I do wear 10.5s on all my Jordan 4s. Open the box lid. Nothing on the inside of the box lid. Paper, and like I said, the shoes will come individually wrapped. Sure, if you're getting them from the secondary market, that they do come individually wrapped like a large Italian with everything on it. Crushed hot peppers, light mayo. Yeah, so you get 2 sets of papers, which they've been doing a lot on Jordan 4s I noticed lately, and maybe that's to help stop from bleeding or whatever the case may be. But you'll get some white paper with some gray speckled cement on it, and also one strip of thin white paper underneath of that. Inside the box, you will get a green stamp inside the box. You can see there. And yeah, you got your box dimensions right there on the inside. Cool. So that's enough of the box. And let's get into the kicks. And here they are. Jordan 4 SC wet cements. So let's start with the bottom of this. We're gonna start with the right shoe, and we're gonna start with the outsole. The outsole, all gray outsole. You got your light gray Jumpman in the middle of the outsole. Just move to the upper of the shoe, the midsole, all grayed out. With you got some shiny gray here on the back and on the forefoot. Classic Jordan 4 sole with your clear air bubble. And it's a clear air bubble with looks like sail in the inside of the air bubble. Let's move to the upper of the shoe. Around the toe cap and moving around the lateral side of the shoe, you have this like rough type of I guess I want to call it leather. It's not suede or anything, but this rough type of leather going around the toe cap and around to the lateral side. Move to the upper, you have this smooth, and it could be suede or nubuck, but it's very smooth, light gray suede or nubuck. Got light gray stitching throughout the upper of the shoe. This is different. We don't have netting here. It's just a solid panel right here on the upper of the shoe. You got your wings and your waffles. They're in that looks like cement print type of. It's not like it's not shiny and it's not speckles. It's kind of like embedded into like the material to make it look like cement, almost like the box, if you can see that. All right, cool. Move to the back of the shoe. You got your Jumpman in that cement type of material again to make it look like it's almost, you know, cemented. Let me see here. Nothing on the inside of the back tab. Cool. Medial side of the shoe, same as the lateral side. As you look at the tongue, you got this nice leather tongue, and you have the Jumpman in flight that's embossed inside of the tongue instead of you know, highlighted with any colors, embossed or stitched in. And you have your light gray laces. You know what I think would look really nice on this, man? I'm thinking like some white laces maybe, or light color laces will probably, you know, make these joints pop. Going up and down the tongue, you have that solid material, no netting once again. Moving to the toe box, you have that smooth nubuck or suede. And, you know, got your stars again, of course, on the outsole. Let me see here. It does come with a tag here, embedded inside the shoe. And, you know, I think it's gonna read what it normally reads. So it's gonna say, let's see if this will pick it up. But it says, please note, due to the nature of nubuck leather material, characteristics, scratches on upper should be expected. So this is a nubuck. So it is definitely a nubuck. So I don't know if that's, I'm gonna bring this so you can see it, but that's what it says there on this little tag. Move to the inside of the shoe. Of course, you got that Air Jordan on the back of the tongue in gray. And I don't know what type of material this is on the back of the tongue, but it feels like it's almost like it'll hold your foot in place almost. It's kind of like some type of textured material where I feel like it'll stop from slippage, if you kind of know what I mean. And the sock liner is gray, light gray, but it's like it's kind of like this material, but it's softer, almost like a suede. And you actually can see it. It has that back and forth motion on it. Look at that. So that is nice. That's a nice sock liner. Inside of the shoe, let's see here. We get shoe paper, no shoe trees. Inside of the shoe, you should have that gray Jumpman and your sizing tag. And that's it. And let me feel this, yeah, pretty plush. Pretty plush. I feel like the shoe's gonna be really comfortable, man. That insoles feel very, very plush as well. So yeah, so let's check out the other pair, see if we have any differences or anything. No, same Same as the right shoe. Nothing different, no hidden gems or anything like that. Cool. So let me jump back in front of the camera, give you my honest opinion on this shoe, and then let's see if we can go ahead and hit you with on foot. So that was the review of the Jordan 4 Wet Cement. You know, comment down below, tell me what you think about them. Did you go for a pair, did you cop, or are you looking to cop these off the secondary market? Speaking of that, right now, these are not going too much over retail, I would say. Retail for me, I think I paid about, it's not on the box, about I think it was $225 if I'm not mistaken. So in a size 10.5 right now, this pair is going for about $235 to $240. So you can find the range of prices depending on your sizes if you go ahead and look online. So in my honest opinion, I think it's a dope shoe. Yeah, I'm pleasantly surprised that I actually like this shoe. I didn't think I was gonna like it. I thought it was gonna be too plain, but now looking at the shoe, I do like the shoe. I think it is worth a cop. And it was a special pair for the Olympics. So the Olympics only roll around every 4 years. So I don't think that we're gonna see a retro of this shoe anytime soon, or maybe not ever. They only made like 100,000 pairs, the rumor is. And they did sell out. They did restock shortly on Nike, but then they did sell out again. So if you want this pair, I would say definitely pull the trigger now, in my opinion. One thing that I will say that if I had to make any adjustments or edits to the shoe, number one, I would give it the netting. That's number one. Number two, I would highlight the tongue. I would give the Jumpman on the tongue some type of coloring to make that, you know, kind of pop out, and the Jumpman on the back, some type of coloring to make that pop out as well. I know with the Cool Grays, they did the yellow, so I wouldn't expect them to do the yellow, but just giving it some type of pop. Or maybe, you know, do a red Jumpman with a blue flight for, you know, the red, white, and blue for USA, or something like that. Just give us something to give us a hint that these are the Olympics. And I know it's supposed to represent Paris because that's where the Olympics are this year, but they would have gave us something like that. It'll make the shoe pop a little bit more. So with this shoe, you got to get creative. I would say, you know, you probably got to use different type of laces to make them pop, maybe a sock to make it stand out. But yeah, this is a nice shoe, and the quality on this is superb. So yeah, so that's it for the review. I don't want to keep you too long. Let's go ahead and hop into the on foot. I will have another review coming up shortly. I have the Nike Zoom Vomero in the Crimson colorway. I got those early at Resolve. It's a retail brand called Resolve, and you know, like I said, you got to follow Soul Links and Sneaker Twitter. They release the links sometimes early to these sites that drop these shoes early, so that's how I was able to cop. I think they release on Sneakers on Tuesday, so I'm gonna try to bang that review out tomorrow to give you an early look and on foot of that shoe. Now, again, in my opinion, that's Nike's most comfortable shoe, in my humble opinion. So let's go ahead and hop into this on foot. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're OG, I appreciate you. Once again, comment down below. Let people know how you feel about the shoe. You know, we want to hear from you. I want to interact with my followers. Until the next cop, until the next review, I'm out.
Dying one.
Rob. Rachmaninoff.
I know. The way I'm dipping steps so fresh, they call me Manny. Plus the crossover so cold, it come in handy. Every day I shoot a movie, call me Stanley. Can't walk a mile off in my shoes if you can't stand me. So exclusive, this only for friends and family. We up on sneaks and they so geek, we high on fashion. What's up, what's happening? I'm extra fresh out the package, shipping and handling. Life in 4D, I'm an OG like Jordan 03, yeah. It's getting OC, the fashion on me, they tryna clone me, yeah. Shot the DE for the 3P, I'm like Kobe, yeah. The passion feed me, yeah. I know you see me, yeah. Dying one. I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done. I'm done one. I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done.